Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com again, and as I said in my today's webinar that I will continue making this video, a second video, and covering and showing you what other CAD pairs have done because of this CAD index chart that I gave it to you and we were watching it. So I don't know which one is not this one. Okay, so that, remember that monthly chart, right? So we were analyzing it that Sunday I did the webinar, which was the second, the first, right? And this is where market opened up for Sunday was the April 1st, Monday the 2nd, and the price were actually coming down, and they came down to this area 48.98, which is a big number. 48.98. Let me see where it is. You will see. I opened the other MT4, so it's all messed up. This is, I think this is the one, 48.98. This the low noise 49.54, and this is 48.57, so this is 48.98 probably. Yes, 48.98. Okay, this is the one, right? So basically this is the number that it came back right here and then posted a reversal candle. So if you've been watching, you will notice that it came and it posted a reversal candle here at what? Let me expand the candles a little bit. So we'll see clearly more. And right there, see this white candle? That's the reversal candle, right? And the indicator is all the way down. So this is the candle that we look for. And then the candle ended when? The next opening time would be the ending time of this previous candle, right? So the next blue candle opened at April the 3rd at 310, right? 310. Remember that, 310. So at that time, we know that CAD start to bounce and then go to the upside. And we have that CAD index monthly chart. As you remember, I'll show you. Let me just quickly pull the chart here. Leading diagonal, where it is now. No, not, what am I looking at? It was index chart, CAD index, right? Okay, so this is the chart that I made and I gave it to you, that this is actually, all right, this is the one, right? On the 25th March. That we're going to be going to the upside. This is a leading diagonal, wave 1 and then wave 2, and CAD index will be going to the upside and get strong. And every time it dips and then it reverses, we have to see that it is going to the upside and CAD will be getting strong. When the CAD is getting strong, then wherever the CAD is on the left hand side, those pair will go up, and wherever the CAD is on the right hand side, those pair will go down. Like Euro CAD, Pound CAD, USD CAD, they will go down. CAD Yen will go up. And we cover CAD Yen already, right? I may cover it later in this video as well. But let's go take a look at those other pairs. Okay, for example, Pound CAD, Euro CAD, and USD CAD. They're supposed to go down when this thing goes up, right? Here we got the confirmation, reversal candle and a blue candle at 310. Let's go take a look at what we have here. Nothing. Okay, so we're gonna see Pound CAD first. All right, let's go take a look at the Pound CAD and then Euro CAD. What happened at 310? And did we find or get any entry to go short? Because Pound CAD is on the right hand side. So when CAD is getting strong, Pound CAD is supposed to go down, right? At 310 on April 3rd. So we're going to look at the 7-minute chart of Pound CAD and why they're not here. That's the question. I remember opening them up. Okay, one broker, MT4, I have these indexes, and the other one I'm going to be doing the analysis. So I have another profile with pound CAD and Euro CAD together. So maybe that's what happened there. All right, here. So let's take a look at the pound CAD 1 minute. Let me refresh it, because every time you know come there, you gotta make sure that you refresh it, right? Now let's go take a look at the 29-minute chart, which is in this I still have 30. It says 30, but it's the same thing. Now we need to see April 3rd, 3:10. So this is March. Is up. Oh, sorry. We gotta look at the 7 minute. Okay, 7 minute chart. 7 minute, not this pound CAD 7 minute chart. Okay, and April. This is March. We need April 3rd, 3:10, right? April 3rd and 3:10. So April 4. April 4, April 4, April 4, April 3, April 3, 13, 2, okay, somewhere here, I just missed it. April 3, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and this is 4 o'clock, so right in between, right? April 3rd, 3 o'clock, 3:30 is right somewhere here. So 3:10, right after 3:10 we have to see. So exactly 3:10 is where? 3:10 is right there, exactly. So you see, at 3:10, the reversal candle in CAD index was finished, and if you in watching that, then you will be watching all these pairs, then you will be getting right after 3:10, this is 3:10 is exactly here, right? So after that, if you, for example, if you see this one, this entry, you take this one, and obviously you come in the break even, and this will go up and then take you out. That's fine, thank you very much. And then you have another entry, then you have another entry, right? Then you have another entry here, then you have entry here, you have entry here, you have entry here, you have entry, and so on and so forth. It's right in front of you. Exactly where the CAD index posted a reversal candle at exactly the same time. A 7 minute chart inversed and it reversed and then it started to come down. Pound CAD. Done? Alright. Now let's go take a look at the Euro index. Euro CAD, what happened there? So let me refresh the chart first, yeah. Now I started to get slow already. Because, I opened too many charts, so even though it's a brand new computer, but, I've made a mistake and I had to upgrade the memory, which I forgot. But I'm thinking about getting some extra RAM and then put them in there. Alright, so exactly the same time we're going to go take a look at the Euro CAD, April 3rd, 3 o'clock. April 3rd, 17 hour, 10, alright, yeah. 3:10, April 3rd, 3, April. Okay, 22 hour. Oh, come on, man. That's just 20. Okay, this is 3:10 right there. Okay, 3:10 is right here. So after that, the best entry that we got is this one. Right? You take that, and I don't have to even tell you. So what would happen? You have an entry here. Even if you miss this one, you have this one, you have this one, so on and so forth. Look at that. Look at that. And then it comes down to exactly at the level, and you close around there, 156, 56.80. If anybody wants to see where the 56.80 is this 56.80 on a weekly chart. It's a monthly high, actually, big number. Okay, and we had a chart that we will reverse from here. So we were expecting a downturn, and that happened. 7-minute entry. I showed you how it is, how nice and clean. So many entries this pair gave, right? Now take a look at the USD CAD. If that gave us any entries at the same time. Where is it? Oh, right here. So this is the power of these 7-minute magic. And it's after the confirmation. You don't even have to, worry about, getting in the same time or again, getting behind or something or, left behind. No, left it. Take your time easily. Once, that thing is done, finish up, and then you can easily go and take your entries. So we're going to go and open up, I'll turn into 1-minute chart. Okay, now let me go back first, see if I have enough data. December, yeah, fine, thank you. And refresh, and I'm gonna 139, and the price is 127, so I'll just turn into 1.3764. Okay. So this is the price I put there, and all right, and let's go. So let's okay, got the messages. So now 7-minute USD CAD, we are looking April 3rd, 310. April 2nd, April 3rd, is that there somewhere? 313, right here. Here we go. This is 311, 3 o'clock, 37. Okay. So April 3rd, 37 is right here. And if you see that, then you had an entry already here. You had an entry. So this is, when you see that this is what's happening, right there is the entry. Right there. Right? You could have taken this one, or if you missed this one, no problem. How about this one? How about this one? How about this one? How about this one? Which one SL hit? None of these ever touched the SL. You make an entry, you put an SL there, it's just all the way down. Look at that. Come in here, and this here, and now where it is going and where it went, actually, before bouncing, you will find a level, definitely. I can guarantee you that. So this is 2780, around 80, 2780 something, 2770, 80, 90 something, somewhere like that, right? Let's take a look at if we can find any level there. Weekly 2780, remember, right? So 2763 is this low here. We go back and then we draw that 2760. We should have done before that. If you when you take an entry, you draw these lines so that you can establish your target. 2763 we're looking for, right? So 2763 is actually below. Right? 2763 is this low here, but we got we reversed from almost like 2780 and up. So it must be a number there. 27. Here we go. 2798. Right? That's the number. And what number is this high? I don't even have written here. This is the high. This 2777. Okay. 2777 and 2798. Let's draw that. 2777. 2777. 2777. And it's not going to forget. 27. Oops. What did I do? This is right there. How about that? So that's the weekly number which we bounced from there. Why did we bounce? And we came here and we start bouncing. Why? The question is why we start bouncing. So let's go back and take a look at the what is the time here? Now this is April 4, 6:50. Remember, April 4, 6:50. Let's go back to see what level the CAD index hit at that time. Whoops, I forgot that. What was that? 6:50. Okay, April 4, 6:50. What's the time here? Okay, right. This is April. This is for 10:50, and this candle is 21st. So this is inside this candle is the time. So we are hitting this line here. What is this line? Can anybody tell me that? All right, I'll tell you that. 50-54, right? It says 50-54. CAD weekly chart 50-54, right there. Okay, so we bounce from there. We go there. We hit. When we hit there, obviously after hitting, we placed a reversal candle right there, right? So what do you do after that? After this hitting, that means that CAD is gonna retrace, which CAD is gonna get weaker. When CAD is gonna get weaker, then USD CAD would be going to the upside, and that exactly what happened here. After hitting this area of the index, hitting that level, this hitting this level, 27.77, index start dropping, USD CAD start going to the upside. This is the first entry here, this is the second entry, so on and so forth, but you don't need to take it because it's a retracement, right? And then after that, look again, we go for the index, we drop here, and I don't know if there is a level or not, but we posted a nice candle right from the yellow line, bouncing from the yellow line, beautiful, like a bullish setup again, indicators all the way down, turning to the upside, and reversal candle, and the first blue candle started, which is the time of the reversal candle ended, 4/4/1750. So we have to short after that again USD CAD, right? USD CAD short 750, 4/4/750. So where is 4/4/750? 4/4/1750, exactly right here. So it goes up. You take this one. If not, you wait for the below the wave entry. That would be the entry. And then again we come down and to this level 2763. I just draw that number. Remember, this is 2777. And this time we dropped below 70, actually 2763. We went below 2746. We have for 2746. 2763 is this. This is 64. $27.98, 27. So not here. We may have the same number on the monthly chart, maybe 27, 2680, 2734. Haha. Haha. 2734. Let's go back and draw that number. And I'm telling you, 27. Well, it's just a little bit below, but not too far. 2734 is this. Maybe we will still, gonna make one more dip to go there. You never know. So 2734, and what is this number? This is 28. Is this the one? Okay. And what is this big candle here? 2797. And what is this number here? 27 this number here, the high 27.77, which we already mentioned, right? Okay. So yeah, probably it's going to drop 27.34 or maybe more, 26.80, you know, somewhere there. So it's continuing dropping actually. So what is that? That's 29-minute chart. Okay. So this is how the 7-minute and the magic of the 7-minute, how many entries you get once you have a reversal candle posted on 29-minute chart of an index. So you could have traded, and CAD yen, and the first video in the webinar I showed you CAD yen, how nicely it went up, right? For a lot of people, just, you know, let me just quickly show you in this video again. CAD yen posted so many entries, and then USD CAD you just saw, Pound CAD, Euro CAD, all gave so many beautiful entries exactly from that area where the pound indexes start, CAD indexes start to bounce. So you see, you literally had like a pick and choose kind of situation, and all you had to do is just pick which pair you wanted to trade. And look at this. This is, I'm not going to even refresh the chart, but look right somewhere here. This is 310. Where is 310? This is 14. This is today. Forgot about today. This is, I'm talking about right here. 310 is exactly here, and after that you can see the entry all the way, and then it went up and hit this area here, very nice area, resistance, and then when the CAD started retracing, here we go. It started coming down to the left. The CAD is on the left hand side, right? And then it started to go up again, and look how nicely, beautifully you got entry here, beautiful entry here, beautiful entry here, beautiful entry here, entry here, you know. So, what can I say? It's in front of you. You know, I never looked at Aussie CAD, but I can guarantee you that it went up also. Sorry, it came down, because CAD is on the right hand side, right? You can go take a look, Aussie CAD, if I can quickly see it. If I have it, I don't know if I have. Oh yeah, Aussie CAD. Is it dropping? I'm not going to even open 7-minute chart or whatever. Just look at the 15-minute chart if it's dropping or what. This pair must be dropping, because simply CAD index. Aussie CAD. Okay. All right. Yeah, it dropped. 15-minute chart. Okay. And 310. April 4th, 310, April 3rd, 310. Since then, we got to see April. Whoa. Don't tell me that. This thing went down crazy. I got to start looking at that thing. Yay. See if April 3, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3:10. Right here. So first it went up a little bit, but then after that, look at that. 15-minute chart though. This is exactly where it is. This is April 3rd, 7 o'clock actually. So 3:10, the CAD posted the candle over there, and after that it started to drop big time, and then this is where the CAD started retracing, and then this is again, it started getting strong and nicely coming down. Let me see the daily chart. Okay. Maybe you still have room to go to the downside. Weekly. Messed up chart, but yeah, it's powerfully coming to the downside. So, you know, like my CAD index showing that, you know, it may get strong a lot more than what it is now. And all these things will continue in that direction. So this is the story of CAD, but, you know, this is the story of every single thing. Every single thing, I'm telling you. Look at the pound 29-minute chart. If you're worrying about what happened, all those pound pairs, right after, look at this candle here. Reversal candle, for example, this one here. And the first blue candle started. So it is 4/4/15/30. 4-4, 15-30. So any pound pair, for example, how about pound yen? Because yen was getting weaker, and here pound supposed to get strong from there after reversal at 70-45 area, right? The blue candle closed above it. So what was the time again? 4-4, 15-30. So let's go take a look at the pound yen in 15-30. Pound getting strong, yen from that time, and yen is weak. So pound yen should go up, right? I keep forgetting the time of this. What was it? 15-30. Now I will remember it. 15-30. Okay. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen. We will take this 1 minute chart to refresh the 7. But it's not there. Okay, we'll take this one. 7:29. All right, this is the one. Okay. Okay. So 7 minute chart refreshed, and we'll look for 4-4, 15-30. Right? Today. Forget about what happened. So today what happened? 4-4, 15-30. Remember, 15 hour, 15-30, 15-30, 15-30. Today 4-4, 17, 16, 15-49 right here. So right after there, 15-30 to be exactly, 15-30 is right there. Okay. 15-35. So after that is what you're supposed to see for the long side. And look at this. I mean, the move was so powerful that the indicator is not even coming all the way down, but you could have taken easily because the powerful move is starting, and then this cross here, black and white, black and yellow, and after that any of these dips, and then continuation is the entry. This was the entry, this was the entry, this was the very good by the book entry, and this one again nice entry, this one again nice entry. Look at that. Entry, entry, entry. How far? Oops. Beautiful. Again, this entry here, this entry. It's just, this thing is just keep going. And how many entries is giving? It's one pair. Forget about one pair. Pound. What about pound Aussie? I don't know about the Aussie was getting strong, but still, when pound is getting strong at this time, it should be going a pound CAD, pound Aussie, pound. Let me see. How about pound USD? Let's take a look at the pound USD. 15:30. Remember the time. 15:30. Today 4/4. 15:30. April 4. 15:30. What happened to pound USD? Pound start getting strong. It should be going to the upside. Pound USD. I didn't even see it, so I'm going to see it with you right now. Okay. 7 minute chart. Hosted is 5 minutes. Let me turn into 1 minute. See if I have enough data here. January, fine. Thank you. Refresh. And then I refresh this indicator here. Price 40, 50. Yeah, it's okay. Right around the corner. Alright, let me get the message. Alright, 7 minute. 4/4, 15:30. This guy didn't even give any entry at all. Probably this is where it's bounced, right? Yeah, 15:30 is right there. So 15:30, and this thing is just went straight up without any entries or whatever. But you could have taken this one exactly at the same time there, right? 4/4, 15:30 when the reversal candle was posted, and this is exactly the same time. It just started to go up, pound start getting strong, and pound USD. This is how it went all the way straight. So this is how any currency at all, any currency. If you go on the yen pairs, you will see that all moved up because yen was getting weaker and yen index going to the upside, and all the yen is always on the right hand side, so they all have to go to the upside. That's why pound yen went up straight. So this is the story, and it's very beautiful, beautifully working. 29-minute index chart as a confirmation reversal, and after that you go and you pull all the pairs involving that particular currency, and you will see that you will have a situation, pick and choose, what I call pick and choose situation. You're gonna have to pick which pair you trade. You're all gonna be moving in your direction. You will know where they're going, and it's just beautiful. Okay, so this is how it is, and I hope that you guys, if you don't understand, just watch the video again and again, and you get it. And if not, just email me, whatever, or the next webinar. Yeah, next webinar is gonna be Sunday, so just email me question, whatever comes in your mind. No problem, I'm here to answer. And I may do another webinar in between. Today is Wednesday, Thursday. Maybe I'll do it on Friday, and then whatever happens between now and then, I'll cover on Friday, and I'll show you more examples for what is happening right now. By the way, pound index is going to post a reversal candle right here. It is at the level and 61%. You can see here. Okay, so this dropped exactly at 61% and 71.38, just below that. 71.38. If you don't know where it is where? Oh, right there. This is the one. Okay, I forgot. I'm keep writing it, but it get erased. I don't know why. How? It is 71.38. Okay, so you can say 71.38 or 71.25, whatever. But one of them is giving this thing a reversal here. Okay, 71.25 is right there. So it's gonna get a reversal right here, and if you do, be coming down. If you're coming down, pound is gonna get weaker, and all those pound pairs went up, are gonna come down. Okay, so watch for pound yen flipping, and pound CAD is gonna drop big time because CAD is as it is strong. So if CAD continue getting strong and pound start getting weaker, pound, this reversal candle, and then start the down move, then pound CAD is gonna just watch it tomorrow. Okay, so this is it for now. Hope that it helps a little more to understand this, the whole thing, how to make the entries after confirming the index chart. And if any one of you having any problem with the index chart and the candlestick, how to open up these charts, whatever, just email please. Okay, I'll have someone help you out over this, Skype or TeamViewer or whatever. So this is it for now. Talk to you guys later. Thanks and bye.